Alright guys, let me see if I can get you on in there a little closer with my dirty hands. You see how rusted up again that 10mm hex or Allen should be? Well, this is what we do to save time with them versus fussing with them and stripping them or whatever the case or scenario may be. Check it out. For the latest thing we got here, bring it onto the channel. Yeah, you guys see it. Grip edge RPT hex sockets. Just for example, guys, here's your see if it focuses. Standard 10mm hex. That is what I'm talking about. Save time. Go now and grab you some grip edge. Check them out. There will be a link below directly to the website. Grip Edge Tools, y'all. This is the RPT hex set. Jeez, get that in there. There's barely any wiggle room there. I actually have to force it to wiggle it. But let's get our Tecton 18-inch, half-inch ratchet on there and break it free. Again, guys, this is our Tecton 18-inch. Let's see if I can get you a part number in there. No. Where was it? Let me see if I can get you a part number anywhere. Maybe not. Well, I will put a link in the description below. This is a really, really nice ratchet. You can get it on in there like such. Yeah, look at that.